What do when your entire life collapses in a moment? Not a bad day, not a rough patch. I'm talking about the moment when everything you trusted, your relationship, your career, your identity, just disappears. And suddenly, you don't recognize your own life anymore. Here's the truth no one tells you. That moment? It's not the end of your story. When the rug gets pulled out from under you, it doesn't just hurt, it disorients you. You question everything. Who am I without this? What do I do now? Did I waste years of my life? And the hardest part, no one prepares you for the emotional aftermath, the anger, the identity crisis. But here's where it changes. Starting over in midlife isn't a weakness. It's your greatest advantage, because now, you're not guessing anymore. You have experience, resilience, perspective. You've lived enough life to know what actually matters. And that means your next chapter? It can be more aligned, more intentional, more you than ever before. Let's reframe this. You're not starting over. You're starting from experience. That breakdown you're in right now? It's not destruction. It's deconstruction. It's life stripping away everything that no longer fits, so you can finally build something that does. Here's the real question. Who are you? Without the roles you've outgrown, without the job title, without the relationship, without the expectations, because buried underneath all of that is the version of you that's been waiting to emerge. If you're in this season right now, focus on this. 1. Stabilize before you strategize. You don't need all the answers today. 1. Feel it. Don't suppress it. Healing isn't weakness. It's clarity in progress. 1. Take one small step forward, not 10, just 1. 1. Rewrite the narrative. This isn't my life fell apart. This is my life is being rebuilt, on my terms. Midlife isn't the end. It's the moment where everything becomes real. Where you stop living by default and start living by design. So if life just flipped everything upside down for you, good. Because now, you finally have the chance to build something that actually fits who you are becoming. If this hit you where you are right now, subscribe for more real conversations about rebuilding, growth, and reinventing your life. And comment below. What are you rebuilding right now? Thank you for watching. Like, follow, and share this video.